Right. Here is another great one for people who are saying that they don't know how to report transactions. That's when you do an erroneous transfer. What that means is you have transferred to a wrong person. Okay, so this is how you go about it using your WhatsApp. Everything has been made easy. Banking has been made easy for us. On WhatsApp you can log any type of complaint at all that you have regarding a particular type of transaction. Everything can be done on WhatsApp, the convenience of your house, without you stepping out of your house. All you need to do is just to understand. So you can even be trying a whole lot of things out on your by yourself. Do you get at home? Not until when you have the problem. Okay. So let's go now. All you need to do is just have the number saved. 09040002900. Have it saved. It's already saved on my phone. So I'm searching it now. GT Bank. Good. You can see GT Bank WhatsApp number, right? That is it. So now I've opened it. GT Bank WhatsApp number. Okay. Now this is it. All you need to do when you have opened it, me because I've done one or two before, that's why you see all these things. Otherwise you will not see it. So just say hi. So when you say hi, they will respond to you. Wait for the response. Okay, you seeing that? Good. They are responding to me. Then you click on the menu, so you can see everything here. If I restrict an account, when you misplace your phone, or maybe your ATM card, you don't know what to do, you are just afraid, just quickly you can restrict the account. That means that they will lock the account for you until you go to the bank to write a letter or fill an instruction form for it to be open. Cancel card, yes. Apart, so if it's your ATM card that you misplace, and instead of restricting it, you feel it's just the card alone you want to destroy. So just go there, this cancel card, click on it. Are you getting it? Dispense error, that one has to do with when you have a problem that have to do with dispense error. That's, I mean, a failed transaction, ATM, maybe withdraw an ATM, or on POS, point of sales terminals. Now, see fund transfers. These are the ones that is we are looking at today. Fund transfer, which is number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The fifth one on the line. Even see all those other things from my previous exercise. So let's just click on it. I've chosen that one. Good. Wait for it. Sure, you have seen it. Please choose the one of the following options: outward transfer issue, e1 transfer, wrong transfer, erroneous to other banks. Do you see it now? Even if it is GT Bank you send to GT, if it's erroneous transfer to GT Bank, is number 4. So our own today, because it's another bank, is number 3. So all you need to do, just click on 3 here and you send it. Number 3 and you send it. Good. You enter your account number, your own account number. Are you getting it now? So when you enter your account number, let's take for instance, let's say 0202. Where is it? Let me say 10,000. I didn't do any 10,000. No, I'm just putting the figure. They're asking for the date that the transaction was consummated. Let me just choose any date. Don't forget, I did not do anything. So that we will see how to follow the options. That's why I'm doing all this. Do you see that now? They're asking for the name of the person I sent the money to. Let me say Sally. Sally. There's nobody like that. I didn't do anything like that. I'm just giving us wrong beneficiaries account number. Are you seeing that now? They are then asking for the person I sent the money to, the account number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just for the sake of this video, let's go ahead. Wrong beneficiaries bank. So which bank did I send it to? Let me say UBA. Do you see that now? Do you see that now? They say they acknowledge it, so they will send you something like this. And that is all. You have logged your transaction. No case. You don't need to come to the bank and queue up. Do you see that? Simple, right? Please like, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed earlier, and then comment any other thing you want to learn or any other clarification you need, so that others too can learn, and YouTube algorithm can share this video to as many others for them too to learn and benefit, so that only you will not be the one that will be with this knowledge. Thank you.